Hi everyone, this is Mentor Tuba. We are going to discuss an interesting PgMP scenario in this video. So I keep on receiving this query from my PgMP delegates that they are always confused between different artifacts in program, especially the strategy related artifacts, business case, charter, roadmap, benefits management plan, program management plan, like when is to go for the right artifact in a particular scenario, in a particular situation. And I understand that. So this scenario is talking about one such a situation where the right understanding and differentiation of artifacts is going to give you the correct answer. Let me read out the scenario first, and then we are going to discuss. You are a member of a selection committee to select the programs and projects that your organization will pursue next season. One of the selected programs is for socio-economic changes. The program contains 3 projects and 1 subsidiary program. One of the projects for improving the level of behavior and morality in the neighborhood. In which of the following do you document the outcome of that project? Okay. So the option choices are A, benefits management plan, B, program risk register, C, business case, and D, program management plan. You need to first understand that which phase of the program are you currently studying. So of course, this is about the results, the outcomes of a selection committee meeting, which usually works at a portfolio or at an organizational level. And the result of one such meeting is a program which has been selected. So if a program is selected to proceed in the organization, what is the other way of saying it? You need to answer it. The other way of saying it is business case is approved. So the correct pointer would say business case is approved. And then you need to answer yourself the next thing. What is the next step? You are about to charter this program. So the charter is going to be written, authorized, and with that, the formal commencement of the program would begin. So this is how we see a scenario. Don't directly jump to the answer that it is going to be benefits management plan or program management plan. Right. So maybe if you are going to be judgmental, you would directly jump to benefits management plan by saying that one of the benefits is being discussed, like improving the level of behavior and morality in the neighborhood, and this is a key benefit, and you are going to document that in the benefits management plan. This is correct. You are going to document it in the benefits management. However, you also need to check that do you have the benefits management plan at the point you are currently standing? Most likely, no. Why? Because your business case has just been approved. You don't even have your charter with you. How can you expect the benefits management plan to be available? Benefits management plan is created. Some version of it can be available after the charter is approved, and more specifically, it gets evolved, streamlined in the planning phase. Most likely it is going to be created in the planning phase of the program. Right? A program or a project which just has been accepted by the selection committee or which just has got a green signal would not have the planning artifacts available for obvious reasons, because you are in the formulation phase of the program. So if one of the key benefits is known for a component in the program, if you have to check that where you will most likely find it or where you will most likely document it, that's going to be business case. That's not even going to be charter. Charter is not even in the option choices, and even if it is in the option choices between business case and charter, you would go with business case. Had the question said that the whole same scenario, and one of your selected programs is for this reason, with this components, with this benefit, and it has been chartered as well. Then the right artifact or the more suitable artifact would be charter, not the business. Because now you have charter available and most of the audience stakeholders would be referring charter. So charter is good, and charter has benefits as well. Charter has success criteria as well. So charter is going to be the right place to refer, or the right artifact to refer for benefits. Till that time, you get into program management planning and you baseline program management plan. So yes, if the same program gets into planning phase and the same scenario is asked, then yes, benefits management plan. Not even program management plan, benefits management plan. Why? Because benefits, identified benefit with their KPIs, owners, threshold, tolerance, details, mapping to components, all that is available in benefits management plan, but only with the condition that the benefit management plan is available in the product. Right? So this is how we see. The correct answer to this question is business case, not benefits management plan. For the same reason, not program management plan, because benefit management plan is a component of program management plan. And both of that are ideally created and baseline in planning phase. Yes, you can have a high level version of these artifacts in the formulation phase as well, but at least not before charter. Not before charter. This is for sure. First charter is created and then the other artifacts for planning are created. And of course, it's not risk register because they are not talking about risk. They are talking about a benefit. So risk register is like just a distraction. I hope you like this explanation. See is the correct answer. If you have any follow-up queries, feel free to document that in the comment area. Feel free to reach out to me on our business WhatsApp or LinkedIn or website or the other communication channels. The channels are in front of you. If you have any queries in other questions related to strategy, program artifacts, especially the difference between business case charter or business case charter program management plan, feel free to drop that in the comment area. I will make sure to answer that and I will make sure to clarify your queries. I will be back very soon with a new PMP scenario. Till then, take care. Goodbye.